the Fourth Estate. Before you are defense advocates representing Geofrey Mosiria in a matter where he's been cited as a contemptor, and we are arguing issues that are before a three-bench judge coming up for hearing sometime in February, where we have the hopeful expectation that before our client is given the chance to mitigate and sentenced thereof, that the court will have a look at our application, where we are asking that the court to set aside on the basis that our client as a contemptor was never served as per provisions of the law. We do not want to get into the merits of the matter since they are before a three-bench judge, but we have the hopeful expectation that the three-bench judge will do as per the law, and justice will not only be seen to be done, but will be done. And also, over and above that, this is a public interest matter, and we understand that all eyes are on the court and to see that justice is met for our client.
Briefly, to bring to the attention of the Nairobi citizens that their chief officer, one Geofrey Mosiria, was supposed to be sentenced today, having been cited for contempt. Immediately he learned of that, he consulted this defense team. He confirmed his signature is not the one that was brought to court. We took him to Kilimani police station, where he reported the OB. The DCI swung into action. They have written to the Registrar of Judiciary to be given all the documents that were filed in court, because according to our client, they are forgeries. 2, we hired a private forensic examiner who examined the signatures that allegedly were being purported to belong to the chief officer Mosiria, and the report we have filed in court is that the forensic examiner has said those signatures are not signatures of one Geofrey Mosiria. Therefore, that is a confirmation that the court was misled. Immediately we got that, we filed an application to bring to the attention to this court that the matter cannot proceed where Mosiria is supposed to be sentenced until these issues are raised. Service is a question that we raised. The court has agreed with us and said, let us serve our application plus the documents that we have. They have been given time to respond, and we shall proceed on the 2nd of February 2026. This is a matter that affects over 20 million citizens who come to Nairobi, tourists who come to Nairobi, citizens who live in Nairobi. The position the chief officer for environment holds in this country is very, very critical. And at no one time will the chief officer be in contempt of court orders. He knows he swore an oath of office to abide by the laws of this country. And he's coming here clean, saying that he has nothing to hide. He was never served. The signatures are forgeries, and he is ready to clear his name. So for the Nairobi people, it's an assurance that your chief officer was not sentenced and he'll continue working. Sorry, he's not here because of a small medical issue where he had his own medical issues. He will be back in office in the next 3 days from today. Thank you very much, unless there's any question.
Leo wacha tunichill hivi. Sina la kusema zaidi ya yale wote wamesema, yametosha.
Thank you. All the best.